when we go deeper from our elevation, we increase our pressure naman po. All right, so let's have this problem po. Let's start with our given. So for our given, sorry. So for our given, we have here 32, our gravitational pull that is 32.1 provided here, feet per second square. Okay, we also have our mass that is 10 tons, mass that is equal to 10 tons. Also, we have our elevation or our height that is equal to 50,000 feet. Okay, then we are first asked to obtain find the mass so required. We have the mass in pound. Let me just put pound mass. Just to remind you, try this is your problem set. So I do hope you understand and each problem, and probably it will be also your quiz and major exam. Okay. So a pound mass. Also, we are looking for slugs and kilogram as well, and kilogram, also kilogram. I think this is in kilogram, kilogram force, kilogram mass. So after slugs or no, 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 we could direct it from pound mass to 2.20 per liter. And also we are asked to obtain the pound force. Okay, so let's have our conversions that we are going to use. So for our conversions, of course, in every 1 ton, you can look at the back of your module. So in every 1 ton, we have 2,000 pound mass. We have two types of tons there, the long ton and the metric ton. If so, let's see under the okay. So we have there under the length or linear, we have I'm sorry, in the mass and weight, we have there 1 metric ton is equal to 2,000 pound. 1 long ton is equal to 2,240 pound force as well. So this one is in metric ton. Okay? When we say long ton, that is used when we are talking about a tanker and the the delivery truck. No. Okay. So 1 ton or 1 metric ton is equal to 2,000 pound mass. And also, we will be using in every one slug, we have 2.20, I'm sorry, 32.2. We have 32.2 pound mass. Also, another conversion in every 1 kilogram, we have 2.204 pound as well. Okay, another conversion that we are going to use and going to pound force, remembering that pound force is slug multiplied to feet in every second squared. Okay, so let's try first converting this one. So 10 tons times in every 1 ton, we have 2,000 pound mass. That will be equal to 20,000 pound mass. So we'll already have 20,000 pound mass. So let's have next one. So we already done with pound mass. Done with pound mass. Let's have our slugs. Okay? So from our conversion, here is for the slug. So 20,000 pound mass times in every 32.2 pound mass, we have one slug. Therefore, we will be able to obtain 20,000 divided by 32.2. That is 621.1180124 slugs. Okay? So we already have our slugs. Then let's have for our kilogram. So just converting our pound mass to kilogram. So 20,000 pound mass times in every 2.204 pound mass, we have 1 kilogram. So we have here, so just divide it by 2.204. That is 9,074.410163 kilograms. And right now, solving for our pound 4, so let's use the slug. So we have 621.1180124 slugs times 32.1 feet in every second squared is equal to 621.1180124 times 32.1. That's 19937.882 8882 pound force. And this is our pound force, 19937.8882. So having 32.1 as our gravitational pull. But there is a catch here. We have a decrease in our acceleration due to gravity as we go deeper or as we move deeper from our okay. So from the problem, so sabi sa ating problem, so from our problem, the acceleration of gravity decreases by 3.33 times 10 raised to negative feet per second for each of elevation. Therefore, there is, so this one, this is subjective because we have a condition on the lower part that the acceleration of gravity changes as our elevation also changes. So we have our h, and let's look for our new gravitational pull that we could obtain from. So we have here the change in acceleration in every, yung change po in every height, which is 3.33 times 10 raised to negative 6 feet in every feet. I'm sorry, in every feet. So this is the change of acceleration in every feet. And when we say change in acceleration, that is simply our acceleration due to gravity minus our gravity from the height of 50. Then our change, that is 33 times 10 raised to negative 6 in every feet. Therefore, our acceleration is equal to, so that is 50, 1, 2, 3, alpha equals alpha x minus 32.1 all over negative 3.33 exponent negative 6, shift solve, 31.9335, and that is feet in every second square. Okay? So we now have our acceleration. Then after this acceleration, we can now proceed with our formula for our pound force. So force is simply equal to slug times the acceleration, 31.9335 feet per second squared. So we have earlier our slugs is 621.118. That is 621.118.0124. 0124 slugs times 31.9335 feet in every second squared. So with this one, we are able to obtain times 621.1180124. That is 19834 point 19834.47205, and this is already in pound force. Comparing our answer with our earlier assumption, so that is almost 19937 and 19835. That is almost 100 pound force difference because we decrease in our gravitational pull as we increase or decrease as well with our elevation. Okay? Question for problem number 3. Question? Anyone? All right, please do answer problem number 4. Let me hear from Marlene Botones. Marlene Botones, please show your solution for problem number 4. Marlene, are you with us? Going once? Going twice? Going thrice? I'll mark you absent. Yes, please do answer problem number 4. So this is just also a conversion, SI unit only. So a lunar excursion model or LEM weighs 1,500 kilogram on Earth where G or where the gravitational pull is 9.75 meter per second squared. So what will be its weight on the surface of the moon where gravitational pull is 1.17 meters per second squared? On the surface of the moon, what will be the force in kilogram and in newtons required to accelerate the module at 10 miles per second? Let's try to convert po. O, conversion pa lang to. Pagdating natin dito, mag-energy balance na tayo. Mag-ano na tayo. Energy equation. Berlin. Darlene, what is our given? Okay, we have our mass. What mass is that one? Is this a kilogram force, mass in kilogram? What is that one? Can you make it clear? Force. Because sinabi po doon, weighs 1,500 kilogram force. Therefore, that is force weight. Very good. So let me write our given. We have our force, which is equal to 1,500 kilogram force. Another one, what is our other given? Other given po, Marlene? Darlene, are you still with us? Okay. And you also have your module, Darlene, if you could open as well. Okay. So 9.75 meters per second squared. Okay. Also, we have another one. Okay, 1.70 meter per second squared. So to make it even clear on our given, so let's have here, this is gravitational pull on Earth, and this is gravitational pull on the moon. Okay? So what will be its weight on the surface of the moon? So first, we are asked what will be the weight or what will be the force when we are under the moon. So this one is obtained using this 9.75 meters per second squared. And we are now asked what will be its force when we are at the moon. Or what we are going to do, Darlene. Required na. Yes, ano pong hahanapin? Okay. So let me FM. It will be fine. F moon. Okay. Okay. And how are we going to do that? Okay, very good. So F moon is simply equal to mass of the LEM or the lunar excursion model multiplied to the gravitational pull of the moon. Good job. But how are we going to look for this mass? Where will we be, saan natin kukuhanin? So let me here, right here, the solution. So where are we going to look for this mass? We are going to i-convert po sa kilogram force. Ulit po, I'm sorry. Parang kulang din po tayo sa given idol on the later part of the problem. On the surface of the moon, what will be the force in kilogram force in Newton required to accelerate the module at 10 meters per second? Therefore, we also have here the acceleration that is equal to 10 meters per second squared. Acceleration. Paano gagawin, idol? Paano natin kukuhanin muna si mass? Provided tayo ng lahat ng given na 'to. We are only looking for the mass of the LEM. If F moon is equal to mass of the LEM times gravitational of the pole, also F ng Earth at Earth ay equal po kay mass times gravitational pull ng ating Earth. Is that correct? Okay. So we could now obtain our mass through this one, idol. So mass will be equal to F over A po. Okay. So we now have mass will be equal to 1,500 kilogram force divided by our 9.75 meter per second squared. So what will be our mass? Okay, so we have our mass that is 153.846153. Confirming for only 85. Can you reconfirm the whole? Okay, so we have the same, correct? Okay. Then if we already have our mass, so let me just add another page. Okay, we already have our mass, then I think we could now obtain our force when it is in the moon. So from here, F moon will be equal to 153.8461538 times the gravitational pull of the moon, which is 1.70. 1.70 meters per second squared. This is a kilogram mass. So what will be our answer, Idol? 261.5384615 kilogram force. So this is our first one, 261.5 kilogram force. Okay? So good job, Idol. I will now be giving you plus 5 on our quiz number 2. Okay, let's proceed dun sa isa pang hinahanap. No, isa pa lang po yan. So si Darlene is plus 5. Quiz number 1, hindi number 2 ha, quiz number 1. Can I hear from, let's continue, Gerard, Josh, or Gerard. Right now, we already obtained the weight on the surface of the moon. Then the next one, we are asked what will be the force in kilogram force and in Newton. So what will be the force? So we are now looking for the force in kilogram force and Newton that is required to accelerate at 10 miles, I'm sorry, 10 meters per second squared. 10 meters per second squared. Gerard Josh, are you with us? Gerard, going once?
Hello po.
Okay, hello idol. Let's now obtain our force in kilogram force and in Newton having the acceleration at 10 meters per second po. Anong gagawin?
Ano po, force in kilograms po?
Force in kilogram force. Hmm.
Ano po,
Okay. Bago
20
tayo
force
magtuloy.
kay
Conversion muna
20
idol. I'm
ha?
sorry. Conversion muna.
Conversion po.
Hmm. How many kilogram force are there in 1 Newton?
Wait lang.
Okay.
Yung force pong ano, 1,500 po ba yun?
1,000. That is our kilogram force. Very good. Our kilogram force here is provided. So kilogram force. But this one is still in 9.75 meters per second squared. Okay, itong given, 1,500. But this is force on Earth. 500 kilogram force. Parang umulit tayo. Pero okay lang. Nasolve na to kanina ni Darlene. Mm.
Opo.
Nakuha natin kanina yung ating mass. No, without the effect of the gravitational pull. Our
Opo.
mass is equal to, anong mass natin kanina? 153.84, 153.84, 61538. 61538 kilogram mass. Ang hinihingi daw po sa atin ay kilogram force at Newton. O sa Newton muna, paano natin kukuhanin si Newton para madali sa'yo? Si sir na magpo-provide sa'yo ng conversion ha para hindi ka malito. Okay, in every 1 kilogram force, we have 9.81 Newton. O baka nalimutan lang yan. O paano natin kinukuha si Newton, idol? Si Newton ay kilogram meter per second squared. O ibig sabihin, itong kilogram na to ay kailangan mong multiplyan ng ating naka meter per second squared. Okay? Oh, what are we going to do, Gerard? Gerard? Oh, kukuhanin mo na ngayon ito. Anong formula? Ng force sa moon. Yan, sinulat na ni Sir lahat ng gagawin mo. Oh, formula ng force sa moon po. Ito. Oh, go ahead, Gerard.
Wait lang po, hindi ko po ano, inisip
Ah,
ko.
ito na lang ang tanong ni Sir. Anong formula po ng force?
Ano po, F equals to M times
Times?
area po, ay A.
Acceleration po. Hindi yun area, acceleration. Okay, so force is equal to mass times our acceleration. Do we have our acceleration? Yes,
Opo,
sir. Do we
in-imply
have
po.
our mass? Yes, sir. So we are just going to substitute na lang, idol. So substituting,
So 500.
153.84, 61538 kilogram mass times our 10 meters per second squared. That is equal to, go ahead, idol.
Wait lang
Answer?
po, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
1,538 point
One,
or 615
three,
and
eight
8.
Newton. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa Newton. Iko-convert na lang po natin sa ating kilogram force. So, how are we going to convert? So, from this Newton, let's just multiply it by, in every 1 kilogram force, we have 9.81 Newton. What is our answer?
Pwede na.
Bagong gising naman, mami. Good morning po.
Tulog. Tama po ba itong pag-input ko? One, five, six,
Mm.
point, 8, 2, 5, 8, 4, 4, 5,
1, sorry.
1, 5, 6,
66.82
2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8,
82.58.449 kilogram force. Good job. So you will also receive +5 for our quiz number 2. Question po? Ay, quiz number 1. I'm sorry. Question po? Question? Anyone? Clarification? So, do you still want to continue for the other problem? So this is just also conversion. We already answered. So I will be giving you the rest of the time for you to finish your problem set, which is this try this po. No? So you need to complete all. And on the midterms, I will be on the day of our midterm exam. You will be going to pass. Ipapasa nyo. You will pass your modules. So I could check the problem set number 1, which is try this for chapters 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so everyone, I will be now having your attendance before I let you go. 2109. Okay, so let me hear from Acuña, Gabriel,
present po.
Aliaga,
Present po.
Atienza,
Present po.
Botones, Bulaklak.
Present po.
Oh, gusto ko yung husky voice ni Bulaklak na. Cabral,
Present po.
kinabahan sa husky voice, biglang tumahol. Hoy, joke lang. Kamba? Kamba? Going one? Ay, okay. Kamba, pare? Juris?
Present po.
Ayun. Nag-aalaga pala ng anak si Kamba. Pasensya pare. Okay. Carpio, Darcy,
Present po.
De Leon, John,
Present po.
De Pasupil, Axel, De Pasupil, going once, going twice, going thrice. Okay. Evangelista Romel,
Present po.
Geroloyo,
Present po.
Gregorio, Makasinag,
Present po.
Mamwag.
Present po.
Yun, with energy. Thank you, Denmark, for that energy. Martinez John,
Present po.
Mendoza Michael,
Present po.
Mark Cedric Mercado, Mark, Nitura,
Present.
Nathaniel, Orense Jazel,
Present po.
Ortega John Lee,
Present po.
Pagkaliwagan Jonel,